While many developed countries of the world are stuck in discussions and red tape for years to build a single bridge or subway line, China is changing the face of its country at an incredible pace. They are carrying out such huge construction projects that are beyond the imagination of the common man. Where it takes decades to complete a project, China has proven that through determination and organizational skills, it is possible to create such mega projects that not only amaze the whole world, but also make us think. Today, we will embark on an incredible journey through China's breathtaking infrastructural revolution. Let's see how the stories of science fiction have become reality on Chinese soil today. Imagine a barren land has been transformed into a $95 billion futuristic city in just 7 years. When China first announced its plan to build this smart city, many Western experts derided it as a fantasy dream among mud and weeds. But today, more than 3,000 skyscrapers stand there. The city is connected by an intelligent traffic system that can literally think. The entire city is covered with a 5G network and thousands of sensors which analyze traffic, weather, and safety data at incredible speed. For example, when a fire truck sends an emergency signal, the entire city's traffic lights instantly turn green and clear the road in seconds. Underground is another world, a vast network of subways, water supplies, and power grids. And above, there is no traffic jams or pollution, just green parks and modern living. This is not just a city, but a living example of what future urban life will be like. Now let's talk about Xiong'an Railway Station, which is the largest high-speed rail station in all of Asia. Spread over an area of nearly 500,000 square meters, this station is not just a transportation hub, it is a technological marvel. The most surprising thing is the speed of its construction. From laying the foundation stone to full operation, it took only 2 years. This time frame would shock many developed countries. The station's huge domed roof weighs about 60,000 tons, which is equivalent to the weight of 9,000 adult elephants, and it is installed almost perfectly. Everything inside is completely digital. Sensors and intelligent management systems control the flow of passengers, optimize train schedules, and ensure the highest level of safety. It takes less than 1 hour to get to Beijing from here. This station is a shining example of China's famous China speed, which the world once thought was impossible. The Huajiang Canyon Bridge, spanning the steep mountain peaks of southwest China, is one of the world's tallest suspension bridges. Its height from the bridge deck to the bottom of the canyon is more than 600 meters, which is about the same as a 200-story skyscraper. Despite challenges such as adverse weather, strong winds, and unstable rock foundations, the nearly 3-kilometer-long bridge took just 42 months to build. The bridge is capable of withstanding earthquakes measuring 8 on the Richter scale and extreme winds. Before the bridge was built, it took about an hour to cross the canyon, and now it takes just 1 minute to cross the same path. It has not only connected 2 mountains, but has opened up speed, opportunity, and development for the entire region. Now we will talk about a project that is often described as a miracle carved into nature's most hostile terrain. This nearly 2,000-kilometer-long railway line connects Chengdu, the capital of Sichuan province, with Lhasa, the capital of Tibet. It is the first railway line in the world to cross a region with an average elevation of more than 4,000 meters above sea level. The railway line crosses 14 active geological fault lines and passes through snow-capped mountains and deep valleys where the risk of landslides is high. Some of the tunnels took up to 5 years to build, as the challenges of nature were immense. To make this impossible possible, China has developed special equipment that can operate in sub-zero temperatures. This railway line has reduced the 36-hour journey between Chengdu and Lhasa to just under 13 hours. China's technological ambitions don't stop at the ground. They have also expanded into space with the FAST telescope, also known as the Eye of Heaven. It is the world's largest and most sensitive radio telescope. Located in the limestone mountains of Huajiang Province, the telescope has a diameter of 500 meters, which is equivalent to about 30 football fields. It can also receive signals from 13.7 billion light-years away, further expanding the reach of humanity in the universe. To protect its sensitivity, a radio silent zone or noiseless area has been created for several kilometers. There are no cell phones, Wi-Fi, or artificial signals, only silence to listen to the faintest sounds of the universe. This telescope is not just a scientific project of China, it is a gift of knowledge to mankind. This airport looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Beijing Daxing International Airport is one of the largest airports in the world, handling 200,000 passengers per day. From above, the terminal looks like a giant starfish. This design means passengers can walk from the center to any boarding gate in just 8 minutes, which is possible in very few airports in the world. The biggest surprise is the speed of construction. In just 4 years, China has transformed a vacant lot into one of the world's most advanced air transportation hubs. Everything inside the airport is digital and automated. Passengers can check in using facial recognition technology and deposit their luggage without touching any screens. During construction, this airport has obtained more than 60 international patents, proving that China is not only following global standards, but also setting new standards for the future. The question is, how is China doing this impossible? Behind it is not just technology or money, but also the ability to make quick decisions and incredible organizational discipline. While the West is busy only discussing a project, China turns that design into reality. There may be debate or criticism, but there is no way to deny one thing. China is changing the definition of modern infrastructure construction. In the race for speed, they have become a leader that the world can no longer ignore.